Number 8 says to identify the segment bisector of line segment XY, then find XY. So the bisector here, you can say that the bisector can be line N. It would be the bisector, or you can actually say point M, because those split those parts into two pieces. When it creates the two equal pieces, the first part is XM, and then the second part would be my. Those parts are congruent. So we can set up the equation of 5x plus 8 is equal to 9x plus 12. Now you can solve for x. Minus 5x both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with an 8 is equal to 4x plus 12. Minus 12 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a negative 4 is equal to 4x divided by 4 divided by 4. This cancels. This is a negative 1 is equal to x. Now that you know what x is, you need to know what xy is. Xy is made up of this piece plus this piece. So it's made up of xm plus my. Xm, it is 5x plus 8, and my is 9x plus 12. I'm going to combine the like terms first before I make the substitution. 5x and 9x becomes 14x. The 8 and 12 becomes 20. Now I'm going to substitute in the negative 1 for the x. Negative 1 times 14 is negative 14 plus 20. That's what xy is. So xy is equal to negative 14 plus 20, which is going to be 6. Okay. That means if you would like to know, this piece is 3, this piece is 3, and in total, the whole line segment XY becomes 6.